Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assembling the admit card and a government photo ID so the system links the print correctly. Once done, wash and dry your hands. Oils and moisture cause poor scans, so warm a cold finger briefly to improve ridges. Place the flat finger pad squarely in the scanner center. Do not roll or tilt. Hold steady for the capture tone. This prevents smudges, reduces rescans, and ensures your biometric matches the registration record. You continue by following the device prompts. The system often needs several scans to record full pattern variations. Make each impression with consistent, moderate pressure. Too light loses detail, too hard flattens ridges. Once you place the finger, watch the preview for complete ridge coverage and the green confirmation mark. If partial, reposition slightly and repeat. This step-by-step capture ensures template quality and reduces future verification failures at the exam center. You finish by verifying that your name, registration number, and photo match before saving the biometric template, and ask staff to confirm the successful enrollment. If the scanner fails, try an alternate finger, re-clean the fingertip and device, or change pressure and angle. Often a different finger yields a usable template. If multiple attempts still fail, request technician re-enrollment so they can recalibrate or use an alternative capture method. This avoids last-minute exam entry problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.